Have you ever wondered what the gold heart means on Tinder? Well, to get the gold heart, you have to be a Tinder Gold subscriber, which is a little different than the free version. If you want to streamline the process for dating and figure out who likes you that you also like, you can see that gold star. So if you look on the Tinder website, some of the features of the Tinder Gold subscription are you can see who likes you, you get passport, so you can go all over the world, match with various people in different countries. Unlimited likes, that's another cool feature you get on there. You get a free weekly super likes on there, which says stand out from the crowd and increase matchmaking by 3x. So it's kind of like you're becoming an ad. You're like advertising yourself, putting yourself in a premium spot. And you're also indicating to people that you're willing to pay for a subscription. So whether that means you're going more in debt or you're rich and you have money to spend on things like that, that could be a mixed signal sent out there. Who knows? You also get a monthly boost for being a Tinder Gold subscriber, so you'll get more attention in your area for like 30 minutes once a month. You can also do a rewind, which means you can unlike somebody if you change your mind, etc., things like that. So if you see a gold heart on your Tinder profile, that means you've liked them, they like you, and you want to announce this to other people so they can see that gold heart too. Maybe you're really confident and you want to put a public display out there. It's a bold step, but if you're ready, hey, go for it. We also have a subscription guide on Android Authority for Tinder. If you want to sign up for just 1 month, it's $24.99. If you sign up for 6 months, it'll be $12.50 per month. For a 12-month subscription, it'll be $8.33 per month. So all this depends on how long you want to be on the dating market on Tinder. But if you get a gold heart, that's a good thing. It means you like someone, they like you back. It's a public display of affection for you. Hope this helps. Hope you have a good luck dating out there and find the right person just for you. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.